jet engines from here. Maybe when it's windy and it brings the noise here.
No, this one you will hear it.
This one will
This
hear.
one is 4 engines.
Ah,
That's
right.
the 747.
No, this is 380 Airbus.
Oh, they have.
Yeah, double deck as well.
This is a double deck.
Yeah, you can see like a
That's why
dolphin.
it's so big.
Yeah,
Looks like
so
a
big.
toy.
Oh. Other
This looks like 350. It's a big one. Or 777. No clearance yet? Oh, now take off. Ooh, you'll hear that later.
So slow.
Because it's
He's
heavy.
He's ready to go.
Yes. Let's see which point it takes off. Probably midpoint
All
because
the
it's
way.
too
You can
heavy.
hear the noise now.
Yeah, you can hear the noise. 4 engines.
It's a heavy.
Look, there's one.
Yeah, pretty
coming
heavy.
up.
Another one.
It takes up longer distance to take off.
Yeah.
They stuck along.
Yeah, longer
Wow.
distance. Yeah.
It's heavy.
Almost using the whole one way.
Yeah,
Now
it
it's
lifted-
lifted.
Now it
Yeah.
lifted the nose up.
Yep.
Must be a lot of people going to Singapore.
There we are. Okay, that's great.